Hey everyone, welcome to the Search Nav and Support Team Iteration Planning for July 3rd to 14th. So I'll start us off with our mascot. 1 second here. So I thought it was only fitting, given our American folks just celebrated Independence Day, to pick a bald eagle. I thought it was right on the nose for this one. So yeah, great bird. Awesome. All right. So I'll stop sharing here. To kick things off, I'll pass it over to Tiemi.
Hi. Okay. So for this iteration, we have some different things. First one that will probably be the also biggest one is to publish Japanese pages for marketing sites. So we have like new image related content, but we also have like GA tags, things to fix, and other like small bugs. So this will probably take some time because there are a lot of pages, and I will probably be on that one for most of my time. But I also have some other smaller issues like horizontal scroll bug, and I am finishing some things that we left from the getting started videos page, but I already finished. However, found some really small things to fix, and they'll probably end these in some hours. And yeah, I think that's it for me. Not sure if we are going to start the AI tab for DevSecOps survey. Probably not this iteration, not sure. And now I will pass to Megan.
Thanks, Tammy. Okay, I promise closing the Marketo email template issue. We're gonna close it. Just one little thing to add. It's closing. Pinky promise. Next, from a carryover from last iteration, the 6th Sense personalized navigation. It's working. It just needs to be reviewed and then a nav release. I'm gonna see that through by the end of this iteration. In addition, from last iteration was the nav loading slowly on our site. Last iteration, I found the root cause. So in this iteration, I will hopefully be fixing it. I'm pretty close. Moving on with our Argo project, going to be refining that epic next 2 weeks. And then lastly, I think I can get to it, is working on the localized privacy pages. I'm gonna pass it off to Javi.
Thank you, Megan. This iteration, I'm going to be closing off some things that carried over from the other iteration. It should be coming out fairly shortly, which would be the localized and the integrations page. These are both in review, and I just need to do some feedback iteration to them. I have the French iteration of the marketing site, so I'm going to be working through some of those pages as well as the bugs that are listed in that shared spreadsheet. I have something scoped out for figuring out how to get static links to work with the internalization in the nav. And then I have a small guy which is reporting up the Google Lighthouse CI sort of things and just sharing some of those insights and seeing if we can come up with some recommendations for the team. That's it for me. Pass it over to John.
Thank you. For this iteration, I'm going to work on having static links for the localized URLs. In this case, it's previous to the user clicks. I'm working on that right now. Also, I am on the review process of the font loading in buyer experience, and also in the redirection functionality removal from the navigation. And last but not least, I'm going to add localized content to the subscription agreement page. And that will be it for me. Next one is Trevor.
Thanks, John. So this iteration, my primary focus is the integrations page design QA. So supporting Javi with that, as well as the DevSecOps survey report for Q3. So that's it for me. I'll pass it over to Lauren.
Sweet. I'm going to be continuing the investigation of splitting from the dub repository, and then I promise to get to those Swift type synonyms for our top search queries. And with that, it's a big iteration for search, nav, and support. So we'll see everyone for the release.